Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian Miguel R. Mbile, and today I'm going to show on how to measure the length and width of my living room and the two chosen objects using the ancient way of measuring, and discuss the advantages and disadvantages. But first, let me explain to you about measuring using the ancient ways. Measurement is a comparison of a physical quantity with an appropriate standard unit of measurement. Some methods of measurement they use include body parts, natural objects, geometric shapes, and many more. For now, we're going to talk about methods of measurement using body parts. Examples of these are arm span, palm, base, foot span, cubit, and many more. Firstly, I will measure our living room using foot span and digit since the measurement is not exact in foot span. The measurement of our living room is 18 foot spans and 8 digits for length, and 10 foot spans and 2 digits for width. After measuring our living room, we are now going to measure two objects. The first object that I'm going to measure is this wallpaper landscape using handspan. The length of our landscape wallpaper is 6 handspans and the width is 3 handspans. The second object that I'm going to measure is my book using the palm measurement. The length of my book is 3 palms and the width is 2 palms. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you learned a lot. Bye!